big boy. There he goes through our toy-strewn living room. Wow, maybe Daddy will get you turned around.
Here we go, buddy.
Wow. You are very big. Look at you go by yourself. Good job. Can you do a little more walking? Are you goofing off for the camera? Ooh, crab walking. What a big boy. Sunset.
You want to keep pushing to the